shower for just nice bossy boots. Bossy Papa. And now this. Well, I'm very now said. And now I just like this.
I just like to do my work with other engines equally, not be bossed around by another who doesn't do his work for him.
He does nothing but boast and boss us around, making us pick up his slack. Anyone would think he's got nothing better to do.
Don't worry, guys. Daniel's told me that he's going to talk to Queen Charlene Cavalera about it.
Agreed.
I heard that you gave him a good telling of. Well done.
Has Sir Francis Drake always been like this?
I do wish he would just stop being the way he is and respect us other engines equally.
This is the least now can like this. Don't worry, guys. Subway train driver simulator. Blue train night. Launch the catering. Great idea. Click.
Hey, what's going on over there? Uh-oh.
He told me to. I hope he gives Francis a severe punishment for his behavior.
What? Ouchie. Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, pardon my language. But what kind of stupid idiot made these trucks crash into us?
Then go to the right. Oops. Let's pick an idea! I was trying so that I do more the passengers. I bumped silly trucks and cars.
Sir Francis Drake, did anyone ever tell you that you have a serious impulse problem?